Is the Neuman Underdrive Pro a scam, or is it the real deal? If you're shopping for wellness gadgets in 2026, you've probably seen this name pop up online. But here's the real scoop you need to know before you click buy. First off, let's clear up the confusion. The Neuman Underdrive Pro isn't some groundbreaking tech or a golf gadget, despite what some ads might suggest. It's actually a wave therapy massager, also sold as the Neuman Apex Drive Pro or Apex Drive Pro. You'll find it on Amazon, eBay, and a bunch of wellness websites. So, is it legit? Technically, yes. It's a real product you can order. But here's where things get interesting. Ratings are all over the place. On Trustpilot, the main site, tryneuman.com, has about a 3.8 out of 5 stars, which honestly isn't bad. But similar Apex-branded devices have scored as low as 1.4 out of 5 elsewhere. So, buyer beware, you could get a decent gadget, or you might get burned. If you're actually searching for golf shoes, you're probably looking for the Under Armour Drive Pro. Those are legit, high-end golf shoes, backed by pros like Jordan Spieth. Don't mix them up. Now back to the massager. It's remote-controlled or app-controlled, totally waterproof, USB rechargeable, and has different intensity modes. Weighs just about 100 grams. Sounds convenient, right? But be careful, lots of these wellness brands use flashy marketing and strict return policies. Always check independent review sites like Trustpilot, not just the glowing testimonials on the product's homepage. So, is the Neuman Underdrive Pro a scam? No, but it's not exactly a miracle worker either. Do your research, manage your expectations, and shop smart. Stay well and happy shopping.